Hi again, everyone. It is just after 4 p.m. Eastern. The markets just closed, and we held on to those gains. The Dow up 130 points. So, can we call this a successful retest yet? Not confirmed, but it's certainly looking pretty good. The S&P 500 up 57 points, finishing just above the 20 there. We got to give this a bit more time as well. The Nasdaq up 280 now. It has more work to do here to get back above the 20. And the Russell up 38. That looks like a pretty strong turnaround as well. There, just quickly, crude oil down 28 cents. So pairing some of those losses, a fairly quiet day today. Gold pretty much flat, up less than a point. So sitting right off that 20, just, again, too early to tell if this is a successful retest or not. Silver up 5 cents. Again, very, very quiet. The VIX pulling back and finishing below 15 here at 1486. The scan I did tonight, I didn't really like what I found. There were a few that were either too close to earnings or the options just were not liquid enough. One, I want to remind you about that we did view or discuss in our chat earlier today, and that's Carnival Corp, CCL. And it's had a nice trend recently, sitting just under this trend line. It really comes into view on the weekly, where you can see we have this ascending triangle, um, and this clear level that has acted as resistance here numerous times, just under the 20 level. I think that's what we have to look for is a close above the 20 level here and follow through. I think that'll look really good. If we look at the monthly, this stock has been depressed for a while, but now moving above the 20, retesting it twice, what seems to be successfully. Again, we just need to clear this bit of resistance here. If we can, jump that hurdle at 20, I think we'll be on our way. So keep a CCI. I'm keeping it on my watch list here, and I'll let you know when I'm doing something with it. But CCL looking for a break above. I mean, we can look at this a little below 20 as well, but 20 is really the mark. Nice round number that clearly takes us above these two previous highs and into that area that yeah, it should continue running into. So CCL is the one to watch here. Big earnings day tomorrow. We have a number of big reports coming out before market open, UPS being one of them, I think, Coca-Cola, GM, and a few others as well. After market close, we certainly have a couple of big names in Tesla and Alphabet as well. So obviously, this is very early on in the earnings season. So for the next couple of weeks, we've got to keep an eye on those earnings dates. But tomorrow we'll get a couple of big ones, and we'll see exactly what the market reaction is on Wednesday. All right, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your evening, and we'll see you on our next update. Take care.